Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Okay, well, I wanted this video to be a little different, but I forgot my SD card again. So I could not record what I actually did, but I will show you. That tried to talk you down because, I tried to sell the John Deere to one of the employees over at AutoZone, and he wants $1,000 plus machine for $50, and the thing worked. The motor alone is worth $250, $300 by itself. I gotta try to make a living here, and people just want everything dirt cheap. And I told a friend of mine that he wanted it dirt cheap, and he goes, just go put it up for sale, and when the right person comes along, they'll buy it. And he goes, well, look at it this way: if nobody buys the John Deere, you'll have a lot of aluminum, because that motor is aluminum, and you'll get something out of it. Maybe not the price that you want, but he said scrap it if nobody buys it. And I would hate to do something like that, but all these cheap people need to stay away. I got a living. I got bills to pay, which I'm barely keeping up. I mean, as soon as I pay my insurance, I got to save up for where the truck is parked, and then shortly after that, my other storage. I'm about to lose my outside storage because I don't make enough money to pay for it. But I want to try to get everything out of there that's, valuable. Well, at least, as far as the scrapping. But I do have a cart that I could use for transmission teardowns out there. And I have a bunch of AC units there, and it's just amazing how much stuff you can accumulate. Kind of wish I had a setup similar to 24/7 Scrap Life, or Scrap Life 24/7. I keep getting that mixed up. So I did take apart 1, 2, 3, 4 radiators. I had 2 left, but unfortunately the disc is getting too small to be able to reach. So unfortunately I can't continue on with that. But what I have been doing, found some more copper. So I've cut the copper down to smaller pieces. There's my copper hoard right there, which I have to put into another place here shortly. And then I got some how-to videos to do later on today. I'm going to take apart, I forget what kind of radio system it is, but a big radio. But yeah, I took the copper and cut it down. I got a lot of copper right here, which I got to sort. I cut them in pieces. But what I'm going to do right now, since I have to give back the grinder, I'm not sure if I'm late or not, but okay, where is it? I just had it. it go? I just found it, and now it's disappeared again. Oh, there they are. So, I got to modify these. Pretty much the only thing that I use this for is to take apart radiators. So what I need to do is I need to put a slight point on this, and I need to take some of this metal away. So when I go to use these, say I come out in here, it'll be able to go down in between. I'm going to make a point, and then it'll be able to grab. So, but I find these all the time. But I'm going to do this in somewhat of shade, because it's a lot hotter than it was yesterday. So you might want to turn down your sound, because this is going to get awfully noisy. I know that isn't even. I have to come back in here on this side and clean up that side. But do you see what I'm getting at? I just want, turning it on again. See how there's a point now? Let's go see if I'm on the right path, because it should grab with that. Should. Let's see. So basically I just want to come in here and grab. push it in, grab it. You see how that works now? It grabs from the back and not the flat part. Here, put it on this side. Push down. Yep, that works a lot better. So now all I want to do is clean up this other side and we're good to go. And then I'll take a file to it and, you know, go from there. So, well, I might even just fast forward and just, you know, fast forward through this, so you might not have to turn it down. I think I took off a little bit too much, but let's find out. I might have to do the rest with file, but I got the basic shape. But if I mess it up, I'll just find another pair and modify them again. So basically right there. Yeah, you see how well that works? I'll show you again. Push it down in there and just right like that and just pull apart. Pull apart. It actually has where it could grab onto the end now. So those will work. So, and I'll just come in and clean that up. But like I said, I wanted to leave them more, this tip more to this level, but it is what it is. So, well, I hope you like that little modification, and I hope you like my copper. But clean copper. I got dirty copper in here too. There. Nope, that's clean. Dirty. See the bumps on it? That's actual solder holding two pieces together. You can see the joint inside. But that's dirty copper. They never go about what the color of the copper tubing is. But, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, but now, since I modified those for radiators, I'll be able to take them apart without a grinder, because using regular, not being able to get behind it to grab onto, you know, it was always just going along the smooth part of it and could never grab a hold of it, but now I can. So, but it doesn't take very long to modify something to, you know, to make it convenient for you to be able to do the job. But like I said, if they break, I just go find another one and do the exact same thing. So, as I always say, y'all have a good day. Well, I never say the same thing twice. Well, yeah, sometimes I do. But as I always say, scrap it right, and make that money. Peace. Copper. Later, Gators.